guys, my name is Cassie Causey and I am the owner of Sassy Clover, which is a crystal and herbal shop located in Wilson, North Carolina. I started this YouTube channel when I was dabbling into my craft era and I was making all types of things with resin. I have since moved on to something different, which as you can see, I opened my own storefront and I'm really excited about it. But since then, I have not been consistent with my YouTube channel, and that is a goal of mine that I really want to focus on for the remainder of 2024 and especially going into 2025. So I wanted to make this video because I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what it is that you want to know. So I really want this channel to be a great resource for you guys to go to and learn more about the things that is really hard to find out there on the web. So if you guys are new or versed in crystals, spell work, herbs, holistic living, whatever it may be, I really hope that you will leave a comment below and let me know what it is that you're interested in learning more about. We have so many experts in various different fields that we work with, and I know that they would be so excited to create some great content for you guys on things that you have been struggling with or wanting to learn more about. So leave me a comment, let me know what it is that you really want to gain from this channel as we start to build out more of a consistent schedule and posting for you guys. If you are local or near Wilson, North Carolina, come by, stop in, check us out. We would love to see you walk through those doors, and until next time, we'll see you later. Yeah.